Hey there! Are you ready to kickstart your side hustle journey but don't know where to start? Today I'll reveal 5 secrets every beginner must know to succeed. Stick around to the end and you'll have everything you need to start strong. First things first. Choose a hustle that aligns with your skills, interests, and available time. Ask yourself, what am I good at? What do I enjoy? If you're tech-savvy, freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr is great. Love crafting? Try selling on Etsy. Matching your strengths to your hustle will keep you motivated. Secret 2. Don't go all in right away. Start small to test the waters. For example, if you want to start a baking business, begin by selling to friends and family. Once you get feedback and see consistent demand, you can scale up. Scaling smartly minimizes risk and maximizes growth. Secret 3. Time management is key. If you're balancing a day job, this secret is critical. Manage your time wisely. Use tools like Trello, Notion, or Google Calendar to schedule dedicated hours for your side hustle. Avoid burnout by setting clear boundaries. Start with as little as 1 hour daily and build a routine. Consistency beats perfection. Secret 4. The right tools can save you time and boost your productivity. For example, if you're freelancing, tools like Canva for design or Grammarly for writing can level up your work. Most of these tools have free versions, so don't worry about breaking the bank initially. And finally, marketing is everything. Build a strong online presence. Create accounts on platforms where your audience hangs out. For example, use Instagram for handmade products or LinkedIn for professional services. Pro tip: post consistently to build trust. Don't forget to ask for reviews or referrals. Word of mouth is a game changer. There you have it, the 5 secrets every beginner needs to know for starting a successful side hustle. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe for more tips.